Residents of Mountainside, I am Mayor Paul Mirabelli with an update on the COVID-19 epidemic. I want to start by thanking all the doctors, nurses, and other medical support staff who are on the front lines of fighting to save lives from COVID-19. These people are truly heroes. They risk their own lives in order to save lives. They miss time from their families so that they can protect your families from this horrible disease. They are to be commended for their heroic efforts. I also want to thank the countless other people who are working to provide food for our grocery stores, which include cashiers, baggers, other store support staff, as well as the individuals who work to transport and deliver valuable essential products, which include warehouse workers and truck drivers. Lastly, I want to thank our first responders, the police, the fire department, and most importantly, our EMTs and rescue squad. They must be commended in continuing to answer the call in the fight against COVID-19. You can support all healthcare workers and essential workers in spreading the word that hope and gratitude are more contagious than any virus, and to support Overlook Hospital in purchasing a much-needed Xenex sterilization machine that can sanitize a room in 20 minutes by purchasing a lawn sign for $25 through hashtag Hope and Gratitude, hashtag Overlook Auxiliary, hashtag Thank You, hashtag Rainbow. Please support this wonderful cause. Our senior meals program continues to thrive. On Friday, April 10th, Chiaffi's in Union served 110 personal cheese pizzas. On Saturday, April 11th, Public House served 97 meals of roasted pork shoulder with coleslaw and cornbread. The Bavella's meal scheduled for today was moved to tomorrow because of the weather. They are offering a turkey wrap with sweet potato soup and a cookie for $5. There has already been 87 orders placed. On Wednesday, April 15th, Outback Steakhouse is offering a steak with mashed potatoes, vegetables, and a salad for $7. On Friday, April 17th, Tarantella's is offering a meal of chicken marsala, pasta, broccoli, and bread for $10. On Saturday, April 18th, Public House is offering a meal of New York strip loin, celery mash, and a brandy shallot sauce for $10. Boy, it sounds good. Anyone interested can contact Kim Moriak at 908-812-4434. Kim is also coordinating a food shopping plan with Stop and Shop in Westfield, so seniors do not have to go out to the store. The program also includes a volunteer who can pick up prescriptions. Right now, we have 65 seniors and 41 volunteers who participate in these programs. I want to personally thank all the wonderful volunteers and the businesses who are contributing to these programs. This is the type of community spirit that will help us get through this crisis. The Mountainside Recreation Department has been offering online activities for the whole family. They have done about 10 online activities so far. Currently, they are putting together a survey that was blasted out today to the residents with questions on what times work best, the activities they enjoy, and any suggestions. This will determine what their additional interactive games, challenges, exercise, and activities that they will offer. Please check the Mountainside Recreation Department Facebook page. They are offering Family Feud Friday, Facebook Live, Creative Tuesday is Arts and Crafts, and a challenge on Thursday. These are subject to change due to the response to the survey. They have a scavenger hunt plan, but this might turn into an interactive aged group event. The survey is going to help them pinpoint the audience that wants more and what they want more of. When they receive the responses back, they will put together a schedule better tailored to Mountainside's needs. Please take the time to complete it. Pursuant to Governor Murphy's executive orders, all essential retailers must follow new guidelines. Each retailer must limit the number of customers allowed to 50% of capacity. In Mountainside, we have requested that the establishment limit access to 5 customers at one time, with others to wait outside at least 6 feet apart. Customers and employees must wear face covering. Special hours must be provided to high-risk people. Stores must have physical barriers between customers and cashiers and baggers where possible. Stores must regularly sanitize areas used by their employees. The police department is doing spot checks on these essential retailers' establishments to make sure that they are in compliance. If you see a violation, please report it on the non-emergency police number in Mountainside. Governor Murphy also ordered the closure of all county and state parks. Mountainside had previously ordered the closure of all Borough, Board of Education, and Our Lady of Lourdes fields. It has been reported to me that despite these orders, these fields continue to be used by residents of all ages: kids, teenagers, adults, and seniors. This behavior is unacceptable if Mountainside is going to effectively stop the spread and flatten the curve. I regret very much that these fields had to be closed at this time. This is not a decision that I made lightly. I understand that Mountainside residents particularly need fresh air and exercise during this stressful time. But as the weather warms, our fields are becoming crowded, and it is difficult in many places to observe proper social distancing. This is critical to fight the COVID-19 outbreak. Now more than ever, we need to redouble our efforts to flatten the curve. I urge all Mountainside residents to cooperate with this action in order to protect ourselves, our families, and our community. Police will actively patrol to enforce these closures. I look forward to welcoming you all back as soon as conditions are improved to allow safe use of the fields. With respect to positive tests in Mountainside, since Thursday night, there has been additional 9 residents who have tested positive for COVID-19, which brings the total to 36 as of 9 a.m. this morning. It is extremely important that we practice social distancing and wear a mask or other face covering when you are in the public. This is not a suggestion. It is each resident's civic duty to promote social distancing and wear a mask. I call on all parents to set proper examples and practice social distancing at all times. Our children will do what we do. Also, parents must keep their children off our fields, and to make sure when children and parents interact with each other to maintain proper social distancing, even with your neighbors. There are several instances in town where neighbors have given COVID-19 to each other. Please try to remain calm. I am confident that we will get through this, but only if we work together and each do our part, especially with maintaining proper social distancing. We must continue to be strong, be safe, and not let our guard down. If possible, stay at home. Only go to the grocery store and pharmacy if necessary. If you must go, please follow these guidelines. Wear a mask or face covering. Go out at non-peak times. Keep proper distances from other customers in the store, at least 6 feet. Keep visits as brief as possible and go alone if possible. When shopping and standing in line, customers should keep at least 6 feet between themselves and other patrons and staff. Individuals should not enter a retail facility or interact with anyone if they have symptoms consistent with COVID-19, such as a fever or cough, have been diagnosed with COVID-19, or are undergoing a quarantine for a potential exposure to COVID-19. Again, wear a mask when you go out, even if you feel healthy. This will help stop the spread to others who are most vulnerable. If you have been diagnosed with COVID-19, you must quarantine yourself, even from other family members, until your healthcare provider tells you it is safe to interact with other people. It is everyone's community duty to maintain social distancing to stop the spread and flatten the curve. Mountainside can do this. No matter where you are, please remember to check on your neighbors and our senior residents. Practice social distancing. Wash your hands and try not to touch your face. These practices will save lives, but only if everyone, young and old, adhere to them. Be safe. God bless all of you, and God bless Mountainside. Thank you.